In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add photo gallery in Wix. Fondo. To get started, open your Wix editor and go to the page where your gallery is already placed. The first thing you need to do is click on the gallery element on your page. This selects the gallery and brings up the controls you need to manage its images. Make sure you are clicking directly on the gallery itself, so the editing options appear clearly. Fondo. Once the gallery is selected, look to the top right area of the gallery settings and click Add Media. This is where you can choose the type of content you want to place into the gallery. From the available options, select Image. Choosing Image tells Wix that you want to fill the gallery with photo files rather than other media types. This keeps the gallery focused and organized, especially if you are building a clean visual section on your site. Fondo. Pourstuelan pragili Wix treftmer. On the Puensraeli winlowish bulbu Wix to meet the Wix punjudos. If your images are already stored inside your Wix media library, you can simply choose them from there instead. This is useful if you have uploaded content before or if you want to reuse images across different parts of your website. As you make your selection, take a moment to confirm that you are choosing the correct photos for the page, since this helps keep your gallery consistent with the rest of your design. Once your images have been uploaded or selected, wait for the upload process to finish completely. This part is important because Wix needs a moment to process the files before they can be placed into the gallery properly. If you move too quickly, some images may not appear right away. When everything is ready, click Add to Page. This inserts the selected images into your photo gallery, so they appear directly on your Wix site. Fondo for toft sitejor. Fondo for toft met the luchas desvendagestmorns. It's a spolted houses. It's a fast good you do this vacket carve. Fondo pliken on percher you mouth, dubby pot little disfami pot. That covers everything you need to know.